This project is solar refrigerator cum oven. This technology is very much useful for storage of medicines and other goods for portable and rural applications. This is thermoelectric Peltier plate fitted with a heat sink. This plate turns cool on positive biasing and turns warm on reverse biasing. Exhaust fan is arranged here to dissipate the heat generated by the Peltier plate to avoid thermal runaway. This solar panel converts the light energy into the electrical energy. This LED indicates the availability of the solar energy. Here, this battery is being charged by the solar panel. This bridge rectifiers gives protection to the circuit even if you connect the battery in reverse. We are using this ADC to measure the battery voltage and display it on LCD. Turn the switch to this side to make the Peltier plate cool. Now you can store any beverages or medicines. Turn the switch to this position and you can use this Peltier plate as mini oven.